freaking giant. Freaking giant. I need 7 of these guys. It's like a 14-inch speck. We'll weigh him here in a sec. Oh, I'm shaking. We are on the slabs, back to backers. And there, 2-pounder there. All right. Right now I've only got out 8 poles. I ain't even got the whole setup out yet. It's a good start.
It's going.
For number 1.
Peeing on you.
Biggin. 2-pounder. So we got 5 now. I gotta figure out which one of the biggest 2 that are left are. It ain't this little guy. Actually, this little guy. Here.
Okay.
Say it's gonna be these 2 guys right here.
Okay, done.
Just chugging along this morning, slow speed, Crescent Lake. Really watching out because yesterday, dishes like this, fatal boat accident on this lake. Somebody got ran over and killed just yesterday. Right in the same area I'm at here, right near Bear Island. So, giving a watch out. It's already after 9:15 in the morning. Just starting to break just a little bit, but I've had to slow speed all the way from the boat ramp way back there to get over here to this area, which is normally like a couple minute ride. But we're going to try to get some in the boat back at the Crescent Fish Camp Crappie Tournament. Weekend number 2 for us, and we got some catching up to do. Got pushed out of the lead this week. Some pro guys came down and stomped me. So, wish luck. Hope we get some big ones today. Day 4, Crescent Fish Camp Crappie Tournament 2026. Currently in first place in all 3 categories: big fish, big bag, and most accrued weight. Today we're not going to have a big bag, but we're going to add to our accrued